Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix this file does not have an app associated with it for performing this action. To start, open the registry editor using the regedit command from the search box. Click Yes to authorize access. After this, you will go to the path you see on the screen. Here, right-click on the Is shortcut file and select Delete. Confirm the process by clicking Yes. When you do, right-click again and this time a new select string value. Enter the name Is shortcut, close the registry editor. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.